All right, what is up, y'all? Very late start today. It's October 21st. I'm kind of in a hurry. Guys, I couldn't sleep last night. It's a terrible problem sometimes. I mean, you just can't sleep, you know? You just lay in there, wheels turning. It's just the worst. But I literally got to bed, I think, around 5. I was going to leave the dock around 8, and then I got a call around 8. I was still sleeping. I finally, again, went to bed at 5, and I heard it was still really rough out there. So I said, screw this, I'll just sleep. And then I got up around 10:30. I was like, well, I'll just call it off. But I looked at the lagoon's totally flat. So here we go. We're going to go sea bassing real quick. I'm going to push out to about 110, 120 foot. See if we can't put a limit in the boat real quick. Look at the lagoon, guys. It's been, I've been off for a week. Not a single fishable day remotely in there at all except today. And today is, well, tomorrow is my mom's 70th birthday and my wife's 40th birthday. So I'm taking everybody out for dinner. So needless to say, the only day I could possibly go tuna fishing, I can't go. So no complaints. It is what it is. Family trumps everything. So we'll see. See y'all out there. All right.
Reaper, you picking us up?
Hey, right back, Tommy.
What's going on, buddy? You make your way out?
Yeah, I'm just getting out here. That ride sucked.
Yeah, it did. I'm glad we waited, but it still sucked. We just got set up. We just set up where we are.
All right, good stuff. Yeah, the run up to the Hudson would have been nice. All right, guys, that ride out absolutely sucked. So pissed. The ride up to the Hudson or the Toms would have been perfect. But coming out here to where I wanted to fish for sea bass, well, really didn't want to do this, but better than nothing. I was just dead into them. That ride just sucked, absolutely sucked. But it is what it is. We're here. We're just coming up on the structure now, so I got the Minn Kota Tarova over. You can see the structure starting to pop up there on the bottom. This is a tanker, I believe. So we'll see. There's nothing crazy on the setup today. We're going to be using on my OTI. This is a slow pitch rod. I'll put the dimensions down below. And this is my Shimano Tranx 300 HG. Very light combo. Hopefully I didn't just lose my bait. Nope, good, thank God. Oh, I lost my bait. Very simple rig. Again, I got a kind of like the spring sea bass video. I got to get in and get out of here. So very simple rig. We're not doing anything cute. About a 200-pound barrel swivel there, 50-pound mono, 1, 2, 3 dropper loops, and then just a simple loop on the bottom for the weight. And we'll go to 5. And we're just going to be using salted clam. And then these 5.0 Gamakatsu bait holders. That's it. Put that on. There's one. Now that we're out here, it's not bad. It's just one on top of the other. Just gonna use these. It's called the rainbow clams. Get these from Andy at Riptide. I've used them before. They do quite well. They hold up really well. So we'll see. Still in good structure, and we will see if anybody is home. Down we go. First drop, baby. Instant bite, instant bite, instant bite. I can't get another one on there. Instant bite, instant bite. Oh, it's a little baby. That's not what I'm looking for. Oh, come on. That's not what I'm looking for, guys. Oh man, so small. What is with this? I don't understand. Jesus, why are these fish so small? I don't understand. Did not come out here for this, guys. All right, team, normally if I have to measure a sea bass, it's going back, but this was a tough trip, so I decided to measure them. This guy was probably 13 and a half to 14, just wanted to be sure. Always bleed them out, guys. It'll make a big difference at the table. Sure are a lot of fish down there, that's for sure. It's a better one. That one's a keeper. Still not great though, guys. Not what I'm looking for. That feels like a good one. Come on now. There we go. That's what we're looking for. That's what I want to see. There we go. That's what I'm looking for there. That's a proper sea bass now. Okay, get this little guy back. That's what I want to see. All right, we don't need a ton, guys. We'll need 10 of these guys. So, all right, team. So far, not the quality that I want to see, but we've only been fishing for about 5 minutes, so probably give it a little more time, I guess, right? 2 keepers so far. We just need 10. But I'll tell you what, I wish I was about 100 miles that way. Well, probably like 120 miles that way. But hey, it is what it is, right? I think these fish maybe are just. Hopefully the bigger ones are just kind of waking up now. There's a lot of different wrecks on this reef site, so I may scoot around. I don't know. We'll see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 other boats out here. So, you know, at some point the pieces get kind of limited or picked over. 2 smaller ones again. I've never seen so many small fish out here ever. Doesn't make sense. It can't be getting picked over. There's been no weather for these guys to, you know, for anybody to get out here. So, Jesus Christ, unbelievable. Wow, this is just horrible sea bass fishing. There we go. Got something else too. I got a nice porgy. Woo. All right. Nice porgy too, guys. So I think what happened is, you know, sea bass opened up a couple weeks ago, I guess. So I guess any decent day, these spots just got picked over. There's 2 party boats out here, and that's kind of the best I can think. Normally you come out here, it's pretty easy to put a limit together. Although, I really wanted to, like I said, get this done. But hey, it is what it is, right? We got to do something here. These fish are small. Jesus Christ. You gotta be kidding me, right? Alright guys, 3rd wreck. Bumped up the weight a little bit, so we're gonna drift here. Using Eric's setup now. Hopefully we get some better fish. 3 coming up here, all small. Unreal. Oh wow, a bunch of bluefish came up. That was neat. Look at that. Bit one of them in half. That's cool. Oh my God. Tons of them. Holy cow. Alright guys, we're getting there. Really neat. Every other time I come up, a whole school of bluefish. Gonna try some fresh bluefish, alright guys? Give something different a shot here, you know? Bluefish everywhere. Oh, here we go. Another one. What that bluefish did to that little sea bass. Alright guys, I think I found a little better piece here. Got on some older numbers. Let's see. Run out of time here. Gotta get back, get changed, make myself presentable. Well, that takes me about 5 seconds. There we go. Run out of time. Come on, guys, let's go. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Be just one. Eat. Okay. Get in there. Get in there, baby. I think I got one more left. We got one more for the limit, and then I got to get the hell out of here. They're definitely liking the bluefish right on the bottom hook. So, as always, change up pattern a little bit, you know. So I wiggled to a different piece on the same rack. And yeah, using fresh strips of bluefish. So cool, every time I come up, well, every other time, just 8-10 bluefish right underneath it. So if mako fishing was still allowed, I'd be out here, baby. Come on, eat it. Oh yeah. That should do it, guys. Probably a little small. Throw a little more. Oh yeah, there we go. That's it, guys. That's it there. That'll do it. Stay glued. Come on, that's a nice one. Whoa. Oh, he got me in the wreck. Shit. Ah. That was a nice one. All right, guys, this is fourth quarter, no timeout type stuff here. I got to get this done. You're good, you're good. All right, y'all, we got it done. Nothing stellar. Well, we got our limit of black sea bass, nothing huge. Oh, look, he's got a white legger in there, cool. So, we got our limit, we squeezed in a quick trip. Let's rush home and, like I said, get ready for dinner. So, it's not tuna fishing, which I wanted to be doing, but hey, it's fishing, it's fun nonetheless. So, I'll see you all in the next adventure.